How do stroke insurance premiums affect my costs? When you're navigating stroke care, understanding how your insurance premiums influence your overall expenses can make a big difference. Insurance premiums are the regular payments you make to keep your coverage active. These premiums impact how much you pay out of pocket for stroke-related treatments, recovery, and ongoing support. Generally, higher premiums tend to come with more comprehensive coverage, meaning your insurance will cover more of the costs associated with stroke care. This can include hospital stays, rehabilitation therapies, outpatient visits, and even home health services. When your insurance covers more, your direct expenses during recovery are often lower, which can help reduce financial stress. On the other hand, lower premiums might seem attractive at first, but they often come with higher deductibles and co-payments. This means you might pay more upfront each time you need care, and your insurance might cover less of the total costs. For example, if your insurance plan has a high deductible, you could be paying thousands of dollars out of pocket before your coverage kicks in. This can add up quickly, especially since stroke treatment can be very costly. Hospital stays for stroke can range from $20,000 to over $40,000, and lifetime costs for stroke care, including rehabilitation and follow-up, can easily reach $140,000 or more. Insurance premiums also reflected the risk that insurers see in covering you. If you have a history of stroke or other health issues, you might face higher premiums because of the increased likelihood of needing extensive care. For example, within the first 5 years after a stroke, insurers may charge higher premiums or impose stricter policy terms to account for the higher risk. After 5 years, some insurers may offer better rates, especially if your health has stabilized, but this varies depending on your overall health and insurance provider. Different types of insurance impact your costs in specific ways. Health insurance premiums determine how much cover you get for hospital stays, rehabilitation, outpatient visits, and home health care. If your health insurance has a high premium, it usually means fewer out-of-pocket costs when you need urgent or ongoing stroke care. However, delays in insurance authorization, especially with Medicaid or other plans, can sometimes extend hospital stays, increasing overall costs. Efficient processing can help you get the care you need sooner and reduce expenses. Life insurance premiums may also increase if you have a history of stroke. For example, a person aged 60 might pay between $200 to $300 monthly for a $500,000 term life policy, but rates tend to improve over time as the risk decreases. Critical illness insurance is another option that pays a lump sum if you are diagnosed with a stroke, helping cover deductibles, co-pays, and non-covered treatments. The premiums for this type of insurance depend on the coverage amount and your personal risk factors. Even with good insurance, you might still face out-of-pocket costs like deductibles, co-pays, and surprise bills. Having a higher premium plan that offers more comprehensive coverage can help you avoid some of these expenses, making recovery more manageable financially. It's important to understand your insurance details, including premiums, coverage limits, and authorization procedures, to plan effectively for stroke recovery. In summary, your insurance premiums influence how much you pay for stroke care by shaping the scope and speed of your coverage. Paying higher premiums often means better access to timely and complete care, which can lead to better recovery outcomes and lower overall costs. Lower premiums might save you money upfront but could result in higher expenses later due to limited coverage and additional out-of-pocket payments. Always review your insurance plan carefully and consult with your provider to understand what is covered and what costs you might face. This way, you can better manage the financial aspects of stroke recovery and focus on what matters most, your health and well-being.